You know, there's a big mistake when it comes to replacing your roof if you don't properly vent the attic. So many roofers don't know how to vent an attic or if an attic is vented properly. For example, when you replace a roof and it's put over an attic that's not vented properly, the attic becomes overheated, which heats the roof from the inside out, and it'll ruin your roof. That's right. Now, not only does a vented attic help keep your roof longer, it helps with your cooling and heating bills in your home. It's important that you have currents going through your roof and that it's vented. It's called convective currents. They come in through the eaves and it goes up and out through the ridges or through the sides. Sometimes you can even put a solar powered fan up there to help the venting. So make sure your roof is vented properly for energy efficiency in your home and to keep your roof longer. I'm Tom Martino.